Hi everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video today on the runes, particularly in relation to the role that they can play within magic. Um, Now I know that the runes can appear a fairly scary undertaking when you first look into them. There's lots of them within the set, there's lots of different sets, so it can seem quite scary on the surface. But the thing about the runes is that they're all based on root meanings. They all have root meanings. And if you know those root meanings, you pretty much know the rune. Um, Sometimes you can even see that root meaning within the symbol itself. Um, so for instance, let's have a look. Right, I found some now. So for this one, for instance, means thorn. That's going to be back to front for you, unfortunately. But you can see the shape of the thorn within the symbol. So you can see the stem or the branch of the thorn, and then the thorn coming off of the stem. And so this obviously has naturally protective qualities. It's not to be confused with the other rune, which looks like a flag and actually means flag. So how do we use these runes? Well, the possibilities are endless, really. We can put them on our altar or in our magical space, which will imbue that space or the spell work that we're doing with their energy. We can put them in our pockets. I mean, they are really, really easy to carry on the person, and in spell bags and that sort of thing. Just don't put them in the washing machine, because that's a real disaster. I don't speak from experience at all. Um, we can draw them on paper, and we can use them within magic in that sense. We can use them in meditation, visualization. And the other thing, of course, is that we can bring two runes together to empower each other and to work as a team, if you like, in the process of making bind runes. So, I mean, in terms of the two that we've chosen, the thorn and the hail, thorn is a very protective symbol, so that can be used to either protect or also indeed to curse, if that's what you want it to do. And the hail is to do with processes and freezing and unfreezing. So the two could be used together in some situation where you needed some movement, but you also need protection. So I hope that's quite clear. Perhaps some other examples would help. This little one here means enclosure. Now the root meaning of that enclosure is like a little field with a gate, is what I always like to see, and that means everything to do with land, property, acquisition. Now this is a classic one. This is gift, Gyfu, otherwise known as Gyfu, and this relates to an exchange. So that one, I mean, all of us, we use that at some time or other in our lives, whether we're magical or not. It's a gift and it's exchange. It's a kiss at the end of a letter, of a text message, of an email. Everybody uses this one. So I hope this little introduction is helpful. Some of you will know all of this already, I'm sure, but hopefully it gives some people a new perspective on rune magic.